Hi, this is Bhaskaran. I am from Confident Engineering India Private Limited, India. So here I am working with Textile Sourcing Company in Peru. This is one of the best company in this Peru. They are using textile for the best clients of Lacoste. So here we are installed water treatment plant with wastewater of laundry. So this is the unit of laundry. Here they are washing all those clothes. So the wastewater is coming from this point to our water treatment plant. After that laundry process, that all the wastewaters will come to this tank. This is called collection tank. So here we are collecting all the waters with the capacity of 80 meter cube per day. This is our plant, Confident Engineering. We installed in TSC. So now I am going to explain how the process will go on. This wastewater plant capacity is 80 meter cube per day. This is one of the recycling plant. So here we are using effluent treatment plant with recycling. So this is the control unit. Here we are using one of the best system, electrocoagulation. So that electrocoagulation we are controlling from this panel. So this panel for ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis. This is the recycling control panel. That wastewater we are collecting in homogeneous tank. There we are using air blower. That air blower will homogenize the equation in the tank, and there we are controlling temperature. That water will pump via pump to the electrocoagulation skid. Before entering to the electrocoagulation skid, we are using acid for neutralizing the pH. Here we are maintaining the pH is 6 to 7. So in this pH, the water will treat in good condition. So in this process, we are using electrodes. That electrodes will react like an anode, cathode, positive and negative charges. For that one, we are using direct voltage. So we have to be very careful during operation. So here we are controlling the parameters of TSS, COD, BOD, pH and TDS and color. The color value will decrease 95% and COD, BOD will decrease 70%. After this process, we are passing the water to the next process. It's a tube settler. Before tube settler, we are adding polymer. This is one chemical, it will be like a coagulant. So this will separate the sludge and water. After the electrocoagulation process, we are passing the water to the tube settler. This is the tube settler. Before entering to the tube settler, we are adding polymer. That polymer will separate the sludge and top. The clear water will be bottom. So this water will pass to the tube settler. Here the sludge will settle down and the clear water will come out. This is the wastewater. This water we are pumping to the electrocoagulation skid, the first process. Here we are using acid for pH neutralization. This is the air blower for equalization the tank. The tube settler outlet water will come to the next process. It's called filtration. Here we are using pressure sand filter and iron removal filter. So here the water will come to the tank 2. From there we are pumping to the sand filter and the iron filter. Here I am showing the water outlet. After filtration process, the water will come to the ultrafiltration system. So here, before entering to the ultrafiltration, we are using one back filter. So here we are recycling the water 95% permeate and 5% reject. Here I am taking ultrafiltration permeate water. That ultrafiltration permeate water will come to the next process. It's called reverse osmosis. Here we are taking 70% of permeate water and 30% of reject. That 70% of permeate water will go to the process of the lavanderia. Before entering to the reverse osmosis membrane, here we are controlling the parameters like a pH, TDS and ORP. So here we are maintaining 7.3 pH. This pH is good for the process. This is a permeate pipeline. Here I am going to show what is the clarity of water. This is our final water. This water will go to the process of laundry. This is our compact wastewater treatment system in TSC. So my company Confident Engineering, we are making business here around 14 years. We have several plants in Lima, and this is our first plant in Chincha.